In this video, you're going to learn 8 tactics to get the first likes on your Facebook page. All of them are completely free to do and they'll only take you 1 or 2 minutes each. So this is very light work, but it can get a lot of results. So the first way to get likes on your Facebook page is to invite your Facebook friends to like your Facebook page. And Facebook have made this incredibly easy. In the sidebar here on the right hand side, you can see you have the option here to invite all your friends, and you can just go through that list and invite them one by one. And personally, I have 643 friends on Facebook, so that's a huge pool of people that I can really tap into to kickstart the launch of my page and get some initial engagement on those posts that I've put down there. Now, if you don't want to invite everybody, you can skip anybody that you want. And if you've got quite a big list and you don't want to work through them all, then you also have the option just to search for those friends to invite them in. So it's the first way you can get likes on your Facebook page, is just simply invite the group of friends that you already have on Facebook. Now, the second way that you can get Facebook likes is to, again, leverage your personal profile. This time, you can come down into your personal profile. You'll see you'll have the option to add pages you manage. You can just click that. I'm just going to make this one private. You can select the page that you manage and you can add it there. And now this is getting quite a lot of visibility at the top of your profile. So anytime you engage with people on Facebook and they come to your profile, they're going to see this page that you manage, and they're probably going to click through and be curious about what's going on here. And then they can go ahead and like it there. So that's the second way, simply adding your page as a page that you manage. Now, the third way that you can get likes for your new Facebook page is to ask employees to do the same thing. You can add them as an admin, and then they can also add it as a page that they manage. What they can also do as well, and you can do this as well, is come up to the About section. You can edit your work, and you can add a workplace. You can find your Facebook page here. So I'm just going to type this in. There we go. There's the page. You can say what your position is. What I'd recommend you do is also include a link to the Facebook page here and say something a little bit about what the page is about. And then for this example, I'm just going to switch this to only me, but you would want to keep that public so everybody can see it. And I'm just going to hit Save Changes. So now if I come back to my profile, you're going to see exactly what this looks like. And this can get quite a lot of visibility here, because not only is it just I've launched a page, but it's like I've started a new job. And even if you've employees that send that out, that's a lot of people are going to like that, because they've started a new job. People always congratulate people who start new jobs. And if you've got a link to the page, then they can automatically link through, check it out, and then like the page. So you can use other people's social network, your employees' social network, to help promote your page. And for every new employee that starts, that is a great opportunity to use their social network to promote your business. Now, the fourth way to get more likes to your Facebook page is also just to share the page out as a normal post. So you can say something, you can paste the link of the page in there, and you can say something a little bit about it, like, hey, I'm going to take a comment here that I've written before. You can actually just delete the link once you paste it in, because that'll click through. Hey friends, here's my new page. Explain a little bit about it. And for this example, I'll just say only me as well. And if you want to practice this, you can switch this to only me as well, to see what it looks like. So I'm going to post this, and you can see they can directly like the page here as well in the post. And that's the advantage of doing it this way. This way here, they have to click through and like it there. But here, you can see here as well, this is another way to essentially do a similar thing. But the advantage of this is that they can like it straight from the post without needing to click through. So it's the fourth way to get likes on your Facebook page, is just to share it out as a post. Now, the fifth way that you can get likes on your Facebook page is to add the link to your Facebook page to your email signature. So I've just come into my Gmail here, come into settings, and then if I come down here, I'm going to see the option to add in a signature. I don't have a signature right now, but I could add in a link to my Facebook page here, which I'll do. Click through to the page first. So you take the link to your Facebook page, pop that in your email signature, and then you want to add a message like, join me on Facebook, or like our Facebook page to stay updated, or like our Facebook page for news stories and entertainment and freebies, something like that. You can put that in your own personal signature here, or you can put that in your company's email signature to really get everybody who sends an email to have a look at this. Now, on average, people send 4.6K, 4,600 emails per year. So that's prime real estate that you can use to really promote your Facebook page. So you can do it on your personal mail here. You can do it on your MailChimp account, your company email account, and all of your employees' accounts. And that is a fantastic way to get more likes to your Facebook page and promote it initially. And you can always change the signature later on if it doesn't really suit. Okay, so the sixth way to get likes for your Facebook page is to invite your Gmail contacts to like your page. So you could just send a normal mail out to everybody, but if you want to really filter that list down and target people to like your page, you can come in to your settings, or no, you can come into your Gmail up here, you can come into contacts, then you can come down here to more, export. You have to click through to go to old version. Once again, then we want to click down to more, export, and you can see that I've got 863 Gmail contacts, so I could export this list to a CSV. I'd obviously have to filter that down a bit and really invite those email contacts to like my Facebook page. Now, if I'm sending it from a private email like this, I might want to batch it up into emails of 50 people and just send them, and maybe BCC everybody so that people don't see each other's emails. But that's a great way that you can just quickly use your Gmail contacts to also get Facebook likes and promote your Facebook page. Similar message would be, hey, it's the new page, check it out for XYZ reasons. You get updates on X, and you might get freebies, or we've got a competition running, etc. So as well as leveraging your Facebook contacts, look for the other contacts that you have. And the Gmail contacts are a great one. And as you can see there, over 800, actually even bigger list than my Facebook contacts. The seventh way to get likes for your new Facebook page is to leverage your LinkedIn contacts and invite them to like your page. So I always forget how to do this. So personally, what I recommend is type in how to export LinkedIn contacts. It's kind of in a hidden place, so it's good just to get this instruction out. So we want to go to My Network. So we're in My Network. We want to click on Connections in the right hand column. Your connections, manage synced. Then we want to manage synced and imported contacts. Then we will, under advanced actions in the right rail, export contacts. Okay, so here we go. Advanced options, export contacts. And then you can really pick the option here. So we're going to connections, and then that'll be ready in a little bit, and we can really get that. Now again, what we're going to get is like a CSV file full of email contacts. I have another 800 contacts on LinkedIn, so that's another 800 people that I could invite. So between Facebook, Gmail, and LinkedIn, I've got about over 2,000 people that I can invite to like my Facebook page. You may not have as high numbers, but I can guarantee you have something there from your existing network that you can really use to like your page. Now, the eighth and final way to get likes for your brand new Facebook page is to leverage any email subscribers that you have and simply send them an email and explain that you set up a Facebook page. You'd love them to join you there, to like the page, and to stay updated for competitions, prizes, and posts about whatever it is that your business is about. So those are the 8 ways to get likes on your brand new Facebook page. Go through them all, and that is guaranteed to give you a boost and get you started with your Facebook likes and engagements on the posts that you set up. So go ahead and do that for yourself, or keep these strategies in your back pocket for a client or the future page that you're going to set up.